Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today we'll be making Jamaican oxtail and broad bean. For this recipe, all the ingredients are listed below. Start off with 2 kilograms of oxtail. Remove the excess fat and wash in fresh water and a tablespoon of lime juice. These are all the fresh herbs and seasonings that we'll be using today. Of course, I'm using my mortar to ground up my pimento and cloves, which I'll be adding a little later. Now to the oxtail, add the onion, scallion, ginger, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet, pepper, a tablespoon of salt, those fresh ground pimento and cloves. Also add a 2 tablespoons of that sauce. Let me know if you can pronounce it below. Add some meat sauce, some browning, and just mix it up to make that marinade. Add a tablespoon or 2 of your favorite oxtail seasoning. No, that's what it should look like. Cover that up and let it sit overnight. Stir each side for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm stirring in my pressure cooker because I will be pressuring it a little bit later. You don't have to do this, but add 4 cups of hot water, cover and cook for 45 minutes. Remove, pour into a saucepan, and just allow the oxtail to cook for another hour and a half. Once that time has elapsed, add all the fresh seasonings that you used to season the meat. Allow it to cook for another 30 minutes. Once that's done, add your sweet pepper and your broad beans and a quarter cup of ketchup to your meat and let it cook for 15 minutes. We don't want to add the beans too early because we don't want it to mash out. No, there you go. Oxtail, Jamaican style. Once you're done, add that cherry on top. Add that pepper on top. And go ahead, enjoy.